Hi guys and welcome to exercise 10 wiring one light bulb using two-way switch. In this exercise we've added one more two-way switch, so there are three switches. Okay, let's see the objective. The objective is to control the bulb from three places instead of two places. Therefore, we've added one more two-way switch, which is known as intermediate switch. This switch is always fixed in the middle. Well, let's see the procedures. Okay, assume there is a very long corridor and you want to control the bulb from different places, from more than two places. So in this case, you are interested to use a two-way intermediate switch. Procedures. As we've clarified previously, for two-way wiring, we start with a neutral wire as shown. So connect a neutral wire from the light bulb holder to the main supply as usual. Next, connect a live wire from the holder to the COM terminal in the first switch as shown in the figure. Yeah, look carefully. The intermediate switch looks like this from the backside. There are four terminals, 1s and 2s. Okay, the first switch is connected to 1s and the second switch is connected to 2s. Or you can connect the first switch to 2s and the second switch to 1s. It's okay. Nothing is complicated, so simple, so easy. Just do what is shown in the figure. Finally, connect the live wire to the main supply as shown. Now you are ready to control the light from three places. By the way, if you want to control the light from 4 or 5 or even more places, simply you just need to add an intermediate switch here. Well, this was everything for this lecture. I hope it was clear for you. If you have any question, of course, you can contact me. Yeah, see you in the next lecture. Good luck.